Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2012 Toyota Prado, stock number 5925. This ran from 08 2009 to 05 2015. It is a 1KD 3 litre diesel turbo engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the 1KD 3 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front headlight. Right front guard no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Manual gear sticks. AC controls. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.